Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Which mobile apps do you use?
WhatsApp, Instagram, Google Maps, YouTube, Amazon, and Uber are among the mobile apps I use.
Question number 2. Which ones are popular in your country?
WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Uber, and Google Maps are among the most popular mobile apps in my country.
Question number 3. Do adults in your country like to use apps?
Yes, adults in my country enjoy using apps. This is due to the fact that apps provide convenience and make it simple to access a wide range of services, including online shopping, banking, entertainment, and communication. They also enable people to stay in touch with friends and family while also keeping up with the latest news and trends.
Question number 4. What was the first app you used?
WhatsApp was the first app I used. I used it for messaging, calling, and sharing photos and videos with family and friends.
Question number 5. Do you want to make an app?
Yes, I'd like to create an app that assists people in staying organized and productive. Reminders, task lists, and goal tracking would be included in the app to help users stay on top of their tasks and achieve their goals.
Question number 6. What kinds of apps would you like to have in the future?
I'd like to see apps that make it easier to access services like banking and healthcare in the future. I'd also like to see more apps that assist people in learning new skills and connecting with professionals in their pitch. In addition, I'd like to see apps that help people manage their finances, maintain healthy habits, and achieve a better work-life balance. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.